Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Fliki for the first time and explore its main feature. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are inside, you will see the main interface with several tabs: video, audio and design. In the video tab, you will see options like record, edit, idea prompt, script and empty. Within the record option, you can just record directly using your camera or microphone. Then in edit, you can just trim or adjust videos while adding transition or insert your audio. In the prompt option, you can just enter a text prompt and Fliki will turn your idea into a video automatically. At the script option, you can just paste or write a full script and Fliki will generate a voiceover video. Lastly, at the empty option, you can just start from a blank template to fully customize your project. Next to the video, go to the audio prompt. Here within the empty option, you can just start from the scratch and record or generate audio on your way. And for the idea prompt option, write a short idea and Fliki will create AI generated audio for you. And for the script, you can just use a full script to generate a voiceover narration. Finally, design tab has thumbnail and social option. Within the thumbnail option, you can just create custom video thumbnails quickly, and social makes you ready to post social media content for platforms like Instagram, YouTube or TikTok. Once you explore all these tabs, you can just start creating your first project by either using a script prompt or blank template. Make sure to add your AI voiceover while picking a style and generating your video, and then preview it properly. You can also edit or customize anything before downloading or sharing. And that's it. You know how to narrate Fliki for the first time and you are ready to start creating videos, audios and design with AIs. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.